Ever looked at a three-dimensional object and wondered how engineers draw it in two dimensions? That's where orthographic projection comes in. Welcome! Today we'll master the front, top, and side views of a three-dimensional object, an essential skill for any engineer or designer. Grab your pencil or CAD software, hit that like button, and let's get drawing. Orthographic projection is a way of representing a three-dimensional object in two-dimensional views, usually the front, top, and side. Orthographic projection equals a two-dimensional representation of a three-dimensional object using multiple views. Think of it like peeling the sides of a box and laying them flat on paper. Engineers and architects use this to create precise, scalable blueprints used in manufacturing, construction, and three-dimensional modeling. Let's break it down. Every object has three primary views. First, the front view shows height and width. It's the most descriptive face of the object. Next, the top view is placed directly above the front view, and it shows width and depth. And then, the right side view is placed to the right of the front view, showing height and depth. Remember, the layout rule is front in the middle, top above, and side to the right, always aligned. Let's draw an actual part using orthographic projection. First, we'll sketch the front view, outline the height and width, and make sure to show any hidden lines as dashed lines. Next, project the top view by using construction lines upward, and be sure to match the widths from the front to the top. Then, project the right side view by taking construction lines horizontally, and match the heights from the front view. And here's a quick drawing tip. Keep your views aligned. This helps prevent dimensional errors. Here are some common pitfalls beginners face, and how to fix them. 1. Misaligned views. To avoid this, use light construction lines and always align your projection lines. 2. Confusing hidden versus visible edges. Remember to use dashed lines for hidden parts and solid lines for visible edges. 3. Missing dimensions. Always label lengths, widths, and heights if you're drafting a blueprint. And here's a quick pro tip. Use a 0.3 mm pencil or line weight for construction lines and 0.7 mm for visible lines. So why learn this? Because every real-world product starts as a drawing. From machine parts to buildings to electrical circuits, they all rely on orthographic drawing to communicate exact specs. And here's a bonus. It's the foundation for CAD, CNC, 3D printing, and architecture. Let's recap. Orthographic projection means 2D views of a 3D object. Use front, top, and right side views. Always align all your views and use the proper line types. Start with simple shapes, then build up. And if this helped clarify orthographic drawing, hit that like button. Want more tutorials on CAD, engineering, and design? Subscribe and comment your next topic request.